Hey, what's up guys? This is Tito from KTN Tech back with another video. So let's begin. This video is about how to install official CyanogenMod 14.1 on Redmi 1S. So let's get into it. When you are booted into TWRP recovery, first you need to back up. Yes, this is the most important step because if anything goes wrong, you can restore it. Now let's flash the latest TWRP recovery. I will give all the links of the important files down below, so check them out. Now go to Wipe, Advanced Wipe, select Dalvik Cache, Cache, System and Data. Now swipe to wipe. When it's done, go back, install. Now install the necessary files, the ROM file and the gapps file. Again, I will give all the links in the description below. When it's done, hit reboot system and wait for it. First boot will take 15 to 20 minutes. Now set up the ROM and enjoy. I am even updating the ROM with Cyan Delta app and it gets incremental update like any other MIUI and stuff. I was on 1st December build and now I am on 2nd December build with just 35 MB of ROM download. That's impressive. The camera, the torch, Wi-Fi and 2G or 3G, everything is working fine. No issues whatsoever. Even features like multi-window, tap and hold on the icons for menus like new tweet or open an incognito tab on Chrome, everything is working fine, no issues whatsoever. Please give a big fat thumbs up if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll be back with the next video.